Hello guys, welcome back to Da Gaming Boys. So, today what we are doing, we are going to be using hacks. And if you've watched any of TruOriginal's videos, you'll see how he hacks. So today we're going to be showing you how to do things like this. So what you need to do is open your web browser and look up Meteor. Make sure it is the official website. I'll put the link in the description. Now you'll be taken to this page. Now if you scroll down, here is Meteor Client 1.21.5, so click that. It may take you to this. First time I did it, it didn't. And then don't click download or whatever on this, just wait here. There we go, skip. And then it's loading. And then you should see up here, Meteor Client 1.21.528 jar is there. Now what I like to do, I like to do it on a CurseForge mod pack. You don't have to, but I prefer doing it. And it needs to be fabric. I don't know, name this something. So here we are. Now you have that, there will be nothing in it, and now you cannot get this straight from CurseForge. You're going to need to go on Open folder, go into your mods file, and then you'll see your mods. And now if you get your downloads, this is where Meteor Client is. If you then drag and drop that in, now it won't show up in here, but it is activated. So if I click play now, and now we'll cut to when we're in. And obviously this does work in multiplayer, however you may get banned from some servers, so don't do that unless you're fully sure you won't get banned. Let's create a world, name it world, create new world and load in. Ooh, fancy stuff. Yeah, I don't really play in this version often. So if you click right shift, you'll see all of this. It may look a bit, overwhelming at first. However, it's quite easy. So let's, for example, say that you want to fly. Now, obviously there's combat, there's player, there's movement, there's render, there's world, and then there's misc. So fly is on movement and is there. Where is it? Right there. So now if you click fly, if you left click it, you then fly. However, if you watch the videos, then you'll notice that when he does it, he doesn't open that panel. Well, not that often. So what he does is that if you right click on it, it then brings this up. So I've keybinded it, and then you can keybind it by clicking that little box there where it says bind, and that shows all of the things that you can change with it. So now if I click K, it will then say toggle flight on and off. Now let me just go into this. Oh, I always forget that you can do it before. Now, oh no, I need to get away. Okay, I'm done. Sprinting away. Bye bye. Okay, there's that. Now there's this one that I don't really use a lot exactly, but it is Nuka. So, and now, oh there we go. So yeah, you'll see, and then it automatically breaks blocks whatsoever. So yeah, that's pretty cool. So I died. So yeah, that will stay active. And now there's also, let me just open all of these tabs. There's also, there's loads. What's quite useful is parkour. you, for example. Let me just go into creatives quickly. And now let me just make a little. So, for example, like that. Now let me go back into survival. So now, obviously, usually you'd have to go like that. Also, I usually hit QS. So you'd have to go like that, and obviously click the spacebar. However, with this, there is a parkour. Here it is. It then also jumps on. So the only thing you would need to do is hold. See? So it's quite weird, to be honest. But yeah, it's very useful. There is also like if I can find it, there was like auto blink, what's that? Oh yeah, so yeah, there were loads, really. So when got Meteor, you can have a play around with it. You can, you know, just play around with it and try not to get banned from too many servers at least. So yeah, thank you for watching this video. So yeah, hope you enjoyed it. Bye!